Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of the engine removal and tear down. As you can see, the engine is out. My wife and I did that in our last video. Basically, we're going to be putting a new oil pump, new oil pan, gaskets, and an inspection through the motor and everything, so make sure it's happy. So grab yourself a Hot Pocket and a Mountain Dew and enjoy. Two things: always have a clean drain pan and never drop your oil plug. I'll show you why later. Alright, we're going to take the valve covers off, pull the intake, and then rotate it to pull the pan off. Right here, I'm going to put number 1 cylinder at top dead center. And also the cam sync, I'll remove this cover and mark the rotor, also marking the shaft to the manifold. So it's easier to assemble later on, but we'll have to do a static test once the car is running, which we'll show you how to do that as well. Like to keep everything simple for disassembling and reassembling. The fuel regulators in the back of the manifold. I got 3 sensors up there in the front, so once the intake is pulled, that all goes away. Less things to disconnect from the car. Hey guys, I got everything off, cleaned, and inspected. Everything looks mint. Super clean. Rockers, perfect shape. Lifters, cam lobes, no wear. Crank and rods. Again, super clean, like brand new. Oil pump, that's coming off. That's had some repairs, as you can see. That screen is loose again, but that's coming off. Oil pan, not cleaned yet, but not a single piece of anything. Maybe a little tiny piece of RTV, but that's it. There's the new pan, cheap 7-quart pan, like I said. Oil pump. There it is. You guys see the part number. I'm not going to read it off like everyone else does, but nice piece. Should look great. So back to my oil plug dilemma in the beginning. I was pretty freaked out because there's a piece of metal in there. What happened was I dropped it, as you can see, into the pan. The pan was not cleaned. Had some chips in there and picked it up. So there I am, worried to death. Brand new engine was coming apart, but that's not the case. So pretty relieved, and we can continue. And take that oil pump off and put the new one on. Pan, measure the clearance, get this thing rolling. Alright guys, there it is. It's complete. Came out pretty good. Pretty satisfied. Everything fit well. The engine, importantly, looked great inside. No problems. The next video, you'll see it already in the car. I'm not going to film it. But we'll get ready to start it up. Plug the laptop into it, do a static timing test, and possibly go for a spin. And again, like everyone else says, please like and subscribe.